Friends, look at that. There is cardboard box in here. Let's open it. Is there something in here? Whoa, whoa, look at that, friends. There are many toys in here. Look at that. Whoa, I find Captain America action figure here. Whoa, amazing, friends. Do you like Captain America? Look at that. This is action figure of Captain America. Whoa, it's nice. And I find small ball here. Look at that. The color of ball is green. Whoa, I play with the ball here. Look at that. I play with the ball. This is small ball, friends. Oh, amazing. This is Xmen mask.
Enough! What do you want here? I came.
Oh, it's nice. Xmen mask. The color of mask is yellow and blue. Oh, amazing. Do you have Xmen mask at your home? Whoa, I find picture here. Whoa, this is animal. Sea lion. Look at that. It's very cute. It has 4 legs and the color is white. Oh, it's very cute. And I find dinosaur. Small dinosaur. Look at that. Oh, the color of dinosaur is blue. Look at that. This is very cute. Whoa, friends, it's very cute. Do you have dinosaur toys? Whoa, and I find small car. Whoa, the car is very cute and very small. Look at that. I play with the car. Whee! The car come forward. Look at that. Ooh, amazing, friends. The car come forward. Ooh, I play with the car. It is amazing, friends. The car come forward. Whoa, it's nice. It's very cute. The car is very small and this is Thanos action figure, friends. Oh, look at that. The color is purple. Look at that. Oh, his head is bald. Oh, amazing. And there is 11 picture. Oh, it has 4 legs and it has the trunk. It has 2 ears. Amazing, friends. And there is Hulk mask. The Hulk mask is green. Look at that. This is amazing. Oh, it's very cute. Oh, amazing, friends. Oh, this is cardboard box.